Siyempre kapag may road trip, dapat may malupitan tayong sound trip. Let's sing this, man! Sing! Yo guys! Welcome to another vlog. So, ayan, nagre-ready na ako kasi today, ngayong araw is my first day of school. So, syempre, I have to get ready in 3, 2, 1. Woo! Woo! I'm ready! I'm ready! I'm ready! I'm ready! Hashtag school life, hashtag vlog life. Ooh! 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 Hashtag IG story, hashtag first day. Hi, me! Hi, me! Let's do this! Hashtag vlog life. Let's go! Wow! Wow! Ha ha ha! My Uber driver for today! Hello!
I'll have to ask my accountant.
My Uber driver for today. Hi, me. Say hi to the vlog. Hashtag salty. Hi, me. Me, ang ganda mo ngayon, me. Me. Ba't ang ganda mo ngayon, me? Ikaw pinapansin. Enough with the nonsense. Anyway guys, if you guys are new here, I'm Von Ordoña and welcome to my life! Today is gonna be a great day. Let's say kasi it's my first day of school, so we have to kill it. We have to own this day, diba? Ikaw, misan ka? Where are you going? Meeting?
Yeah.
Ako, mi, mag-aaral ako, mi. Kailangan mag-aaral mabuti.
Good.
Mi, galingan mo naman mag-drive, mi.
Dinidistract mo kasi ako eh.
Hindi kita dinidistract.
Dinidistract mo ako.
I'm just vlogging. I'm just a vlogger with a dream. I'm just a kid with a dream.
Distract mo.
Hindi kita dinidistract.
Till I met you,
Oh my God.
I never knew what love was. Till I met you.
Alam niyo yung feeling na napakaganda ng araw?
Every day
Tapos bigla siyang kumanta.
I want to be more each day.
Hindi uulan na. Ganda-ganda ng araw, mi.
I believe.
Gusto mong paulanin?
Wait na. I believe you say I love you all the way.
Aray!
A few inches later.
Bye-bye, me. Thank you, me. Love you. Ha! 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 We're here, bro. We're here. We're gonna kill the game. First day of school, boy. First day of school. Hindi ko alam kung late ba ako kasi feeling ko late ako. First day of school tapos late. Yari ako nito. Kasi ganun daw yun eh. Kapag first day of school late ka, parang for the rest of the sem magiging late ka din eh. Diba? Kaya ito na nga, tumatakbo na nga ako eh, diba? Ito po, hi, like and subscribe. Von Ordoña, always vlog. Dito na ako sa klase ko. Feeling ko nagkaklase na sila. Hi, sir. I'm sorry, I'm late, sir.
One eternity later.
Hoy! So ayan no, munti ka na ako malit sa klase ko and munti ka na rin ako mapagalitan ng prof ko. And by the way guys, I'm with my boy! What's up bro? What's up? What's up? What's up? Oh! What's up bro? Pre, first day of high bro! What's up? Pre, di mo naman ako kinakamayan eh! Ano ba? Uy, nalulungkot naman ako yan! Yo, I'm with Kyle Rock! What's up bro yan? Ano bang pwedeng malupit na banat mo pwede mong sabihin sa vlog ko ngayon pre?
Like and subscribe.
Always vlog, always vlog. So bro, ano ba pwede natin gawin? Kasi ano eh, first day high ngayon, pre, napakaganda ng araw, oh. Tingnan mo naman, oh.
Kumain.
Kumain? Parang okay yan, parang okay yan. Pero, ano nga, yung first day of school eh, dapat gumawa tayo ng ano eh, parang first day high na vibe, pre. First day high vibe. Pre, ipi-play natin yung first day high na mismong kanta.
Tapos
yung
kumontage tayo, bro.
Oo, yung, Let's go, let's go!
First day high! Nasasabik sa unang araw ng eskwela. Taas kamay with confidence. Let's do the first day high! First day of school, laging may kaba. Sino ba naman ang gustong mag-isa? Sana may cute na makatabi. May bagong kaibigan tapos ng klase. Lakas loob, hanapin ng katropa. Sumabay sa sayaw. Let's do the first day high! Umaapaw sa talino. Do the rainy high! Tumayang masipa pa. Do the saucy high! Pag mahilig ka sa sports.
So, break na tayo, no? So, time check is 8 p.m. no? 8 p.m. time check, 8 p.m. and wala na talagang tao. Yan, wala na rin.
Walang tao!
Ayan, yung mga classmates ko. Pawin na rin ba?
Hello! Hi! Leader!
Ayan, so ako na yung leader ng ano namin, FISIB namin. Then, 8 p.m. na nandito pa rin kami, no? School is life, bro! School is life! Pero vlog is lifer! And isang malupit na transition na lang, nakakapagod na.
Tomorrow.
Hey, what is good, everyone? And today, ladies and gentlemen, we're going on a ride. Let's go. Buckle your seatbelts because we're going on a ride. Wait lang. Sino to? Yo, bro! Pasok! Feel free, bro! Feel free, bro! What's good, bro? What's good, bro? Siyempre, kapag may road trip, dapat may malupitan tayong sound trip. Diba? Let's play the music, bro.
Let's play na bro, let's play na.
Let's play the
Bro, ano
motherfucking music. Play it, bro!
OPM yan bro.
Oo, malupit na mga OPM yan. Hey! Hey!
Everybody!
Hey! Let's sing this, bro!
Sing!
Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang. Spent 3 racks on new chain. My bitch love do cocaine. Ooh.
Siyempre, kapag may road trip, dapat may malupitan tayong sound trip. Let's sing this, bro!
Sing!
Yo guys, welcome to another vlog. So, ayan, nagre-ready na ako kasi today, ngayong araw is my first day of school. So, syempre, I have to get ready in 3, 2, 1. Woo! Woo! I'm ready! I'm ready! I'm ready! I'm ready! Hashtag school life, hashtag vlog life. Ooh! 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 Hashtag IG story, hashtag first day. Hi, me! Hi, me! Let's do this! Hashtag vlog life! Let's go! Wow! Wow! Ha ha ha! My Uber driver for today! Hello!
I'll have to ask my accountant.
My Uber driver for today! Hi, me! Say hi to the vlog! Hashtag salty. Hi, Mi. Mi, ang ganda mo ngayon, Mi. Mi. Ba't ang ganda mo ngayon, Mi? Hindi kompleto ang road trip pag walang food trip.
Yeah.
Diba?
Grabe rhyming words mo dun bro.
Hindi kompleto ang road trip kapag walang food trip. So, let's go. Whoa! I'm talking about food! I'm talking about food, bro! I'm talking about food! Food!
12 seconds later.
Budop! Pre, grabe yung ano eh. Road trip music, road trip natin. Kaya ginutom ako, bro eh.
Pero solid yung...
Taas mo naman, hindi naman naman makita.
Yan bro.
Ayun na to. Yan.
Yeah.
Oh, yan. Grabe yung mga road trip music natin. Kaya hindi ako ano eh. Kaya ginutom ako eh. Kasi dapat di ba kapag may road trip,
Oh bro.
may food trip.
Oo nga bro.
Boom! So yan, transition na lang muna sa bahay. 3, 2, 1. Woo! We're home, baby! We're home! Lang si Mami. Puntahan ko lang si Mami. Babalik ko lang yung susi sa nanay ko kasi baka magalit. Amy!
Anak mo.
Ito na ang Nyuni. Ito na ang susi. Bakit?
Video.
Bakit? Ano ba yan? Nagagalit. Salty yung nanay ko kasi may sakit siya, no? Kaya siguro ayaw niyo magpasama sa vlog ko kasi may sakit siya. Pero expect nyo guys, lalo na this Saturday, nasa Boracay kami next week. So, kasama ko yung buong family ko dun. So, expect nyo na lagi ko siya makakasama sa vlog ko kahit ngayon sobrang salty niya, no? And anyway guys, today's post notification shout out goes to Rachel Ann Ubaldo. Hi Rachel, thank you for turning on my post notification on. And of course guys, if you want a post notification shout out, all you have to do is turn on my post notification here. Yan. And just comment done when you are done. Thank you for watching today's vlog and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you guys are already liked and subscribed. And I will see you to the next vlog, fam. Chooses!
Oh my God, if I die, I'm a legend. When they lay me down to rest,